Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the smooth function on the Facetune application on your selfies to smooth over your skin. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the one of your pictures, click on the retouch button down below, which is the second option. Slide to the right side of the screen until you find this smooth effect. Tap on it, then you should zoom in and use your finger to smoothen your skin. Here you can select the effectiveness of this filter, and you can adjust it to your skin. As you can see, it changes as I move it to the right side of the screen, so feel free to smoothen your skin. So just brush over those parts that you want to smoothen. If you zoom out, you can see how it looks like, and if you are satisfied with the result, click on the check mark icon down below. However, if you want to erase any of these parts, tap on the eraser button next to it and wipe over the areas that you want to unsmoothen, so you can see the difference. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.